What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kia, and I'm back at it again with another video. Now, this unit is from Jurllyshe hair. She does come with all of these goodies in the box, and she is going to be a nice, convenient unit. I know you've seen me review quite a few of these on my channel, but I just like to give you these options. She is a 200% density 26-inch water wave headband wig, and look at that shine on her. First things first, I just like to show you the construction on this headband wig. So she's got 4 combs in total, 1 in the middle, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and then you also have an adjustable strap back there so you can adjust it to make sure it fits the back of your head. And of course you have the headband on the very front of the wig. So since I am going to be wearing this in a regular all down kind of style, I'm going to have to change my hair from the side part. I could keep it like this, but I've worn my hair in this like with a little side part in a headband wig tutorial before, so I did want to just switch it up. So I'm going to have my hair go all the way to the back and braid my natural hair. After that, this is when you would add your baby hairs if you wanted to. Of course, baby hairs are optional, and I'm just going to do nothing too much, but I feel like with the headband wigs, you should consider doing baby hairs because it definitely makes the wig pop. Since these are my natural baby hairs, I'm using edge control because you know when I do my edges on actual lace fronts, I do not use edge control just because I feel like it makes the wig lift up. But if I was wearing a wig, girl, I'd be laying these baby hairs down what got to be. This wig is super nice and full, and it has a nice luster. So you really could wear it straight out the box like this, or if you wanted to wet it down, you also could do that. So to have my hair lay as flat as possible, I like to keep my hair all the way to the back at the very nape of my neck. I do this with all of my wigs, even lace front wigs. I don't use cornrows or French braids because I feel it lays flatter when my hair is in a ponytail, and I just tuck my hair at the very back of my neck. After that, you want to slide the wig to the back of your head and attach your combs if need be. I did find the combs on the side did kind of pull, and it kind of was uncomfortable, so I just used the big comb in the middle and then the one in the back. You've done that, your wig install is complete. So this is how she looked without me even having to wet her down. This is 26 inches, remember? So that's where it did hit me. So I'm gonna take one of the headbands that they sent me in my box, the one that best fits with my outfit, and I thought it was so cute. This is such a beginner friendly, simple wig. And installation also. That's why I'm very pro headband wigs. I love them. So if you did want to try out and, you know, do a couple styles with this headband wig from Jurllyshe hair, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.